Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, a video concerning motorcycle. Last Saturday with my R1200 GS, I made a trip north from here, and it's the 155 north from Saint-Roch-de-Mekinac to Tuque. Road that was suggested to me by one of my friends. It's a fabulous road for motorcycle. If you come to the province of Québec, go and ride this road. You have the Saint-Maurice, as you will see in the video, on your left all the way up to Tuque, and the pavement is really nice. So now in the autumn, the colors are beginning to appear. Fabulous time to ride this road. So this is what you're going to see in this video. This video was filmed with my HERO4 on my helmet, and you will see another video of the same route, of the same road, filmed with my HERO7 Black, and it's going to be a time warp of the same road, and you will see that it's a fabulous road. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, thumbs up. If you want to share. If you have any comments, put it in the box below, and I will be happy to respond to your comments. And in the end, if you like my videos, well, you can subscribe to my channel. It's going to make me really happy. So thank you very much for watching once again, and see you in the next video. And I'm going to leave you with, if you want to ride free, long time when you ride a motorcycle, please ride safe. So see you around.
Beneath the